dude.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, dude. That looks fucking amazing.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Kayotic Motorsports video. As you can see, the sun is finally shining in Ohio. It's nice weather. Still need a hoodie, but it's nice weather. Can't complain. Of course, back out at the shop, getting some work done today. You'll notice if you watched the shop update video that a couple things have changed again. We added a couple more shelves. We got all the GSX stuff laid out here. So we got my head. We're gonna probably tear down today, but probably be in another video. And then of course the old turbo setup here. That's still the old turbo on there. We are going to be replacing that. We're tearing the head apart because I think we may have some bad valve stem seals in there. So we're gonna do the head gasket, valve stem seals, replace the turbo. I got an oil cooler, something else, and I don't remember what, but that'll all show up in another video. We are also doing a bunch of powder coating today. So we got some stuff in the oven now, getting going. Can you see it? You want to pop that door open for me real quick, guy? Yeah, got that stuff in there. And then we are getting these prepped up now. These are all motorcycle parts that we're doing today. We got some that we did not so long ago for the same motorcycle, sitting right up here. And what was that color called, Kyle? It's cast something.
Cast black.
Cast black is the name of that. And then what is that?
Very dark gray wrinkle.
Yeah, it's a very dark gray wrinkle, almost black. Here's a piece that is fresh out of the oven. So you can see that's nice and pretty. We will be taking a bunch of pictures of these for the Instagram as well. So if you want to check them out closer, you can do that on the Instagram, which is Kayotic Motorsports. Along with everything else. Let's see what this color looks like out here. Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Wrinkle.
This is customer's pick. This is from Prismatic.
Yes.
So yeah, Prismatic cast black. That is what we are up to today. Probably gonna cut us off here and then do a quick update once we get all these parts done so you guys can see them all done, and then wrap the video up. If you like content like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Appreciate all the likes you guys send. It does help us out a bit. We are on a quest for like 1,000 subs by the end of June, so help us out with that. Get us up to 1,000. And I'll be back in probably about an hour with the rest of these parts all done. Welcome back again. This is the second day in this video. We ended up wrapping up kind of early yesterday. Weren't feeling well, so we called a little early. Zach did parts. He seemed to be very happy with them. We'll have pictures of those up on the site and Facebook and Instagram and all that probably later on this week. So today we are finishing up his parts. We only had a couple pieces left. So we got those going now. I'll go over there in a second. Kyle's getting ready to tear down this head. We got table set up, and we will come back to that in a little bit as well. So currently for the powder coating, we got big front cover all prepped up and ready for powder here. Then we have this other larger piece sitting in here. It's got 4 minutes left until it comes out, but we'll take a peek at it real quick. Looking pretty good. So yeah, 4 minutes until that one comes back out. So that is an update for now. I will be finishing this video up in the next clip. All the powder coating stuff will be done. Head will most likely be torn down, or at least as far as we're going to get on it for today will be done. So yeah, that is it for this part. Stay with us, see how that powder coating ends. Check out this head tear down that we got going on. Yeah, so keep watching. Right, so it's been probably 5-10 minutes since that last clip. We got this piece out of the oven. Nice and crispy on the cooling rack over here. Been real good. Kyle's making some progress on the head. All that's taken apart. We got last piece that we're powder coating in the oven now. Take a peek. That is what it looks like when it first goes in the oven. Nice and dull, just the powder. Probably about 4 or 5 more minutes. That will start to flow out. It'll kind of get a glossy kind of look. That's when you start your time. And this specific color calls for 18 minutes at 375. So that's what we've been doing. If you remember when we did this valve cover down here, that one was 20 minutes, 450. That was the transparent red metallic from Eastwood on that one. So yeah, I'll be back with another update here in another minute. It's gonna be a few minutes for us, no time at all for you. So I'll see you in like a split second. Right, so this just flowed out. So we're gonna take a look at what that looks like. It just flows out. Yeah, it's not like dull anymore. It's got a little bit of shine to it. That's how you know it flows out. And then you check your part temperature, and the part temperature should be at minimum the same temperature that you got your oven set to. Then you'll set your timer. So we're gonna go 18 minutes and start. And it's gonna sit in there and it's gonna bake for 18 minutes. So run back over here. Carbon. Back over here to this head. We're making some progress here. Yeah, obviously, I don't know. You guys watching, I don't know how much you know about this type of stuff, but you got like a cam angle sensor that goes in here. It's basically just a magnet that's clocked. Leave them in for now, if they're not getting in the way.
They just fall out.
Yeah. So yeah, it's got big opening on that end, small opening on that end. Screws into the end of the cam there. And that's how you know, or how the ECU configures the cam angle. So yeah, we're gonna keep moving along. We'll be back in a few. Alright, y'all, so we are wrapping it up here for the night. We're putting all of the parts for Zach. Got them wrapped up. Just that one, that was the big one that was in the oven. We got a big part of the head torn down. Still got more to do. Canvas rockers and caps are all there. So I got the springs out, retainers, drop the valves, and then the reason we're tearing it down, I don't know if I mentioned this, was to do the valve stem seals. So I'm going to be replacing valve stem seals on all 16. Putting it all back together, putting the new turbo on, and getting it tuned and sending it back on the track again. But yeah, so we are loading up the car now with these parts and heading home. Zach is going to meet us at the house, and I will probably film his reaction to seeing the parts for the first time. If I don't, and this happens to be the end of the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the shit out of it. Tell your friends. If you need stuff powder coated, hit us up on any of the social medias. We have a website, www.kayoticmotorsports.com, or you can email us at kayoticmotorsports@gmail.com as well. So yeah, hit us up if you need some powder coating stuff done. We do performance stuff as well. Obviously, you can see cars. So yeah, if this happens to be the end of the video, we will see you in the next one.
You guys wrapped them up too.
Oh yeah.
Oh, dude. That looks fucking amazing. That came out awesome. You guys really did a great job.
Thank you.
I told them I think we did better on your stuff than we did on ours.
Yeah, that came out absolutely amazing.
It's a good powder.
Yeah.
It is.
I like it.
It laid down really nice.
And it matches the case like perfect. Yeah.
Good. Can't wait to see it all put together.
If everything goes as planned, it'll be back together tomorrow.
Really?
Yep.
All right.
I
Cool.
was over there wiring in the handlebar wire extenders, everything else. So hopefully it'll be back together tomorrow.
Cool. Sweet.
And I can ride it Wednesday night because it's gonna be nice.
Yeah, it's supposed to warm up again. It's supposed to get a little bit colder